At Probo Medical, we restore the equipment so you can restore the patient. We understand that every diagnosis, every scan, and every decision hinges on the precision and reliability of your imaging equipment. That's why we don't just refurbish equipment, we redefine the meaning with Probo Renew. From CT and MRI machines to ultrasound, X-ray, and more, Probo Medical brings unmatched expertise to give medical professionals the tools they need to deliver exceptional care. Our team of experts meticulously revitalizes each machine in our ISO 13485 certified facilities. Our refurbished equipment meets the highest industry standards, ensuring nothing less than premium quality. We thoroughly inspect every unit, replace non-conforming parts with premium replacements, and rigorously test each machine to guarantee optimal performance. With Probo Medical, you don't just get a piece of equipment, you get reliability, trust, and a partner who shares your commitment to exceptional care. Our commitment to excellence has made Probo Medical the trusted choice for hospitals, clinics, and technicians worldwide. Probo Renew is more than just a refurbishing process. It's our promise to extend the life of diagnostic imaging equipment while providing excellence and reliability. Experience the Probo Renew difference today. Visit us at probomedical.com or contact our team to learn more. Probo Medical, image smarter.